When we lose someone we love, many of us are inclined to look for signs. A sign it will be okay, a sign they're in a better place, a sign that they're still with us somehow. Recently, a Minnesota family didn't get just one sign, they got hundreds, as Boyd Hooper shows us in tonight's Land of 10,000 Stories.
At the Minnesota State Veterans Cemetery in Preston, the sky fits the mood. Gray
Present
and somber
Huh.
as a family gathers.
Hey.
Gathers
Five.
under the clouds
Hey.
for Vietnam veteran Craig Wilson.
Hey.
He's a good man.
Emily Canny is Craig's daughter.
He was so well liked.
Judy Wilson is Craig's wife.
It's the Craig look, the twinkle in the eyes, the smile on his face.
That's my dad right there.
Father,
Yeah.
husband, soldier,
On behalf of the President of the United States,
honored
United States Army.
under the same dreary skies that grade Craig's final stay at the VA Medical Center.
2.5 months that he was in the hospital, like we never saw sun. I mean, it was so gloomy and cloudy and dark and heavy for so long.
Close the drapes cloudy as Craig marked Thanksgiving and Christmas.
We hadn't seen the sun, it felt like, in 2 months.
Cloudy the morning of January 16th as Craig's body was escorted from his room, past the nurses and doctors who cared for him. Cloudy till the moment it wasn't.
I was making dinner and I looked outside and I just saw all the colors. And I texted Judy right away and I said, did you see it? Did you see the sunset? And all that night and all the next day, I'm kicking myself because I didn't get a picture. How could you not capture this stunning, glorious sunset?
Then Emily
Like it was a gift and I didn't get it.
had a thought. She went to the That's So Minnesota Facebook page with an ask.
I'm wondering if any of you amazing photographers happened to capture last night's sunset. My dad passed away yesterday and I'm kicking myself that I didn't get a picture.
Emily's hope
One, that's all I wanted.
she got.
883. It's unbelievable.
883 photos and comments, but mostly photos of the sunset that ushered out her dad.
The pinks, the purples, the oranges, the yellows.
Colors painted over cities and country, lakes and land, fields and forests.
And they just kept coming.
Coming with comments, warm
My sympathies.
as the heavens.
Your dad must have been special for God to have painted such a beautiful sky for him.
Yes, I scrolled and scrolled and scrolled, and it warmed me inside, and I just thank God that we got captured all these pictures of Craig's sunset.
Craig's sunset.
No doubt.
After so many cloudy days, how, they ask, could this possibly be random?
No chance.
It was a sign telling us I'm home, I'm at peace.
And look what I can do with my wings.
The clouds had returned as they trooped to Craig's gravesite.
We kind of agreed that this would be a good spot for us.
It's beautiful.
A nice place
It's peaceful.
for sunsets.
I think we'll see some beautiful ones. He'll send them to us for sure.
Given what they've already seen, it's not hard to imagine.
There's good people out there, and it gives you hope.
Boyd Hooper, Carol 11 News, Preston.
If you too would like to scroll through the hundreds of sunsets posted from the day Craig Wilson passed away, you'll find a link with this story at carol11.com. Beautiful.
That's so nice.
So
All these
beautiful.
great viewers. I mean,
Yeah.
there's,
Good people all
that she
around.
put that out there. Wow, 883. That's just so cool.